Hi everyone, just wanted to show kind of an update on the Tentec Patriot 507. You know, I've been playing around with this thing, and I apologize for the camera movement ahead of time. I'm freehanding, so I've got a little case here with the call sign on it, and of course it's waterproof. So this is what I tote with me, and then you can see in here I've got my little Tentec, and I also gotta have a few more little fun things. So what I've done here, as you can see, I've got the rig, of course, and I've got just a 7 amp hour gel cell battery underneath here, and I also have a kind of a homemade little voltmeter, so I can tell what condition the battery's in. Also, I hooked up an old school General Electric speaker, probably used for CB or more likely in the commercial field for loudspeakers in vehicles, and got them at I think I got them at a ham fest. Anyway, hooked that up to the back, and of course it's on there. So let's turn it on and see if we can't get and pull anybody in here. And right now I have it hooked up to a vertical antenna in the backyard, which is a I want to get that screen. That is not coming in. Let's turn the volume down. Oh, that's really hard to get the camera to like that. Well, so far so good. You're gonna have to trust me. The screen looks perfect. It's blue, it looks great, and for some reason the camera just shows it as a blur. But it is very clear, and it does show what I was exactly expecting it to show. Unfortunately, there we go. That's what it looks like. I don't know why it looks so crappy and so bad from far away, but anyway, I'm trying to focus. There you go. So you can see here, I'll hold it on here for just a minute. What I'll do is I'll turn the volume back up, and let's go over to, you know what? I'm going to switch the settings here real quick, so my step is a little wider, and then we'll just go way up. See if we can't pull something in here.
CPA leaving the air forever.
So what I like, I'm going to turn it down a bit, but what I like is, as you can see, the S meter on here, it's really big, and well, stronger signals will definitely come in better. Someone's playing some music on the frequency, but S meter was really neat on this screen, and she's wired into the back of the Patriot here. And all I did,
it's assembled now, beautifully soldered, I must say.
Turn it down just a hair, but what I did was, let's see if I can move this without totally destroying things. What I did was I hooked up all the wires inside, and I actually just put a tiny little hole in the back here and put a grommet in, and that way I can connect either the OLED screen or the LCD screen, and allow myself to, you know, have a kind of a swappable thing. In retrospect, I'd like to have had like a jack in there, but at this point we'll just leave it at that. So basically this is what I do, deploy myself in the field and or at the in-laws, and do some ham radio. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Sorry that it's so shaky, but that's what it is.